Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having extra cash to save, invest, or just enjoy life a little more? Well, I've got some secrets to share with you that can help you earn thousands of dollars in your spare time from the comfort of your own home. These side hustles are not only easy to start, but they also require little to no experience or special skills. So whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a retiree, or someone who just wants to make some extra money on the side, this video is for you. We Lines cover everything from online surveys and transcription jobs to selling crafts and pet sitting, so you Lines have plenty of options to choose from. Plus, we'll share some insider tips and tricks to help you maximize your earning potential. So get ready to discover the side hustle secrets that will change your financial future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's dive in. 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is a great way to earn passive income, and it's easier than you might think. With platforms like WordPress and Squarespace, you can create a professional-looking blog without any coding or design skills. You can write about anything you're passionate about and monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products and services. The best part is you can start a blog for free and earn money from day one by joining affiliate programs and using ad networks. 2. Sell crafts online. If you're crafty, you can sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy and Shopify. From jewelry and candles to home decor and art, there's a market for just about everything handmade. You can also sell your crafts at local craft fairs and markets to reach customers in your area. To stand out from the competition, focus on creating high-quality, unique items that appeal to a specific niche market. Use high-quality photos and videos to showcase your products and build a strong brand identity. And don't forget to leverage social media to promote your business and connect with potential customers. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. Tasks can include scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, handling email correspondence, and providing customer service. To become AVA, you Lines need to have strong organizational and communication skills as well as the ability to manage multiple tasks and meet deadlines. You can find VA jobs on freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Set your rates based on your experience and the scope of work. Provide excellent customer service to build long-lasting relationships with clients, and don't be afraid to negotiate for higher rates as you gain experience. 4. Teach English as a second language. If you're a native English speaker, you can teach English as a second language online through platforms like italki and Verbling. This is a great opportunity to share your knowledge and earn extra income from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a bachelor's degree and a passion for teaching. You can set your own hours and rates and work with students from all over the world. To succeed, it's important to be patient, flexible, and adaptable to different learning styles. Providing clear and concise lessons and using engaging teaching materials can help you stand out from the competition and attract more students. 5. Offer freelance writing services. Freelance writers create written content for websites, blogs, articles, marketing materials, and other platforms. If you have a knack for writing and a passion for a particular industry, you can offer your services on freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr. To stand out from the competition, build a portfolio of high-quality work and specialize in a particular niche. Strong communication and time management skills are essential for success. As a freelancer, it's important to meet deadlines and exceed client expectations to build a strong reputation and secure repeat business. 6. Transcribe audio files. Transcription jobs involve listening to audio files and converting them into text. It's a great opportunity to earn passive income, and it's relatively easy to get started. You can find transcription jobs on freelancing websites like Rev and Scribby. To succeed, you'll need a quiet workspace, a good internet connection, and excellent listening and typing skills. Accuracy is key in transcription, so take the time to listen carefully to audio files and double-check your work. 7. Sell stock photos and videos. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can sell your work online through platforms like Shutterstock and Istock Photo. Stock photos and videos are used by businesses, individuals, and other creators to enhance their projects. The best part is you can upload your files once and earn royalties every time they're downloaded. To stand out from the competition, focus on high-quality, in-demand images and videos. Research popular topics and trends to identify what buyers are looking for and use relevant keywords to tag your work. 8. Become a social media manager. Social media managers oversee the online presence of businesses and individuals. They create and implement social media strategies, manage accounts, and engage with followers. To become a social media manager, you lines need to have a strong understanding of various social media platforms and the ability to create engaging content. You can find social media manager jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed. To stand out from the competition, highlight your experience in growing and engaging social media communities. 9. Pet sit or dog walk. Pet sitting and dog walking are great ways to earn extra cash and exercise at the same time. You can find pet sitting jobs on Rover and Wag. To stand out from the competition, provide excellent customer service, be reliable and communicative, and build trust with pet owners. It is also helpful to have experience with different breeds of dogs and a willingness to customize your services to meet their needs. 10. Deliver food or groceries. Food and grocery delivery services are in high demand, and you can earn extra cash by delivering food or groceries in your spare time. Platforms like Uber Eats and Instacart allow you to set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. To succeed, you'll need a reliable vehicle, a clean driving record, and excellent customer service skills. Number 11. Rent out a spare room. If you have a spare room in your home, you can rent it out on Airbnb or other short-term rental platforms. This is a great way to earn passive income and meet new people from around the world. To stand out from the competition, provide a comfortable and unique guest experience. Highlight the best features of your room and home in your listing and use high-quality photos and descriptions. Number 12. Drive Uber or Lyft. If you have a car and a clean driving record, you can drive for Uber or Lyft and earn extra cash on your own schedule. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. To succeed, you'll need to have a reliable vehicle, excellent customer service skills, and a smartphone with a data plan. 13. Offer web design services. Web design is in high demand, and you can earn extra cash by designing websites for businesses and individuals. If you have a creative flair and an eye for detail, you can learn web design through online courses and tutorials. To stand out from the competition, build a portfolio of high-quality websites and specialize in a particular niche. 14. Provide customer service support. Customer service support is another great way to earn extra cash from home. You can provide support via phone, email, or chat and help customers with their questions and concerns. To become a customer service representative, you'll need excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Number 15. Sell old items online. Decluttering your home and selling your unwanted items online can be a great way to earn extra cash. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace allow you to list your items for sale and reach a wide audience. To stand out from the competition, take high-quality photos of your items and write detailed descriptions. Price your items competitively and offer excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. So there you have it, 15 simple ways to earn extra cash from home. Whether you're looking for a full-time side hustle or just some extra spending money, these ideas can help you earn thousands of dollars in your spare time. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient, persistent, and don't be afraid to try something new. Good luck and happy hustling.